Today we're making gorditas. Look at that. What's up, people? My name is Omar, and this is Omar Over Fire. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to cut the tail off of them, just like this. That's how we're going to do it. We're just going to cut the tail off of them, and then we're going to put them on the boiling water. Do to every one of them. And we're going to use one serrano. This one is going to be hot. Look at the color. Look at the color of this thing. It's going to be hot. That's what we're looking for. Let's add this to the water. Let's use this onion. We're just going to use half of onion. Now we're going to put this in there too. Oh, yeah, garlic. I'm going to use a couple bay leaves. And because I don't like too much sourness from the tomatillo, I'm going to add a red tomato. Just one. We don't want to change the color of our salsa too much, okay? So we're just going to use one of those red tomatoes. Let's make some tortillas because we're going to make our nice, fresh tortillas. For that, I'm going to use this container. I'm going to use this. I'm sure you're very familiar with this here. Maseca. You can find this at Walmart, okay? All these products right here, you can find them at Walmart. So what we're going to do, we're going to measure. This is about a cup, okay? That's what this is. And we're going to use this one as a measure. So we do 1 and 2. This one right here, I'm going to use 1 cup of this. This is the 2-to-1 ratio, okay? Just so you know, look, 1 cup of this. And then this guy right here, most people don't use that, but we are going to use it. All it takes is 1 tablespoon. 1. If you feel like it's too sticky, you got too much water. You might want to add a little more flour. Look at that. Caldo de pollo. Man, these allergies are kicking my butt. 1 lime. Put some peppers on. I like to put just a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit, not too much. Some water. We can't forget about the cilantro. Let's see what we got. Smells really, really good. I bet this thing is going to be really, really freaking hot. Holy cow. It's hot and it's got a really, really good flavor. Wow. This thing is hot. And it was just 1 serrano. The jalapeños might have been really, really hot too. It's hot, but it's going to be perfect. It's going to be great for what we need. Remember, this right here, we don't want to add too much salt to this. This seasoning right here, that was just perfect. It was enough. Those chicharrones are salty, so you don't want to put too much salt, okay? Just so you know. All right, so we're going to put this to the side. We're going to be using this guys right here. Look at that. Look at this. Bunch of little chicharrones like this. This one's, again, you can find them in any Mexican store, I believe, that has like a supermarket or something like that, and you can find them in there. They're really, really, look, small, nice, crunchy, perfect for what we need. I also bought a regular, look at that. And what we're gonna do with that is, we're gonna chop it on small little pieces like this. Look at this. Put those in there too. And then we're gonna finish it off with this. And today, this is what I'm drinking today. Jarritos. This is really, really good. This is not orange, this is mandarin, just so you know. Making tortillas is fun. I'm just lazy sometimes and I don't want to make them. But it is fun making them. To the person that was asking about these tortillas, fresh made tortillas, hey, got you covered. We're gonna do them right now. Because of what we're making, thinking maybe we fry the tortilla instead of put it in the comal and make our classic tortilla. We're gonna make it in the comal and we're gonna make them fried. You're gonna like this. We're just gonna make them a little different, that's all. Making tortillas, that's the time consuming part. Other than that, everything is so simple. Man, you got allergies? How do you deal with those allergies anyway? I use Flonase. I even took the shot that one doctor gave you for seasonal allergies and stuff, and I still get them no matter what. Look at that. What you do with these tortillas, you start it right here like this, and then just open it up like that. See? Now this thing right here, you gotta open it while it's still hot. Look at that. Just like that. It's really, really simple. Now, sometimes, I'm gonna show you this one right here. I show you everything. Even if I messed up on something, I will show you. No matter what. If you messed up and you get too close to the upper side of the tortilla, this is what's gonna happen. Bloop! You get a hole in there. So anyway, yeah. But we're not throwing this away. We can top it off right here with our nice chicharrones and salsa verde, and it's just as good, right? Look at that. Look at that salsa verde in there. Oh my God, look at that. So good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that tortilla. Oh my God. To another level. And that's how we made Gorditas de Chicharrón, guys. This is how we make them. They turn out really, really good. They turn out perfect. Something you can make at home. Really easy, no problem. Now, this is all I got for you. Now, thank you so much for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. I appreciate everything you guys are doing for me, and I'll see you on the next one.